PCBA, short for printed circuit board assembly, is a key link connecting bare PCBs with electronic components, and more importantly, it is the core step that transforms a circuit board from a simple copper foil skeleton into a functional core component of electronic products. It mainly adopts to technologies, SMT surface mount technology and through-hole technology, usually going through a series of precise processes such as solder paste printing, component placement, reflow soldering, and wave soldering, followed by multiple strict inspections including automated optical inspection, X-ray inspection, ICD in-circuit test, and functional test to eliminate soldering defects and ensure reliable electrical connections. High-quality PCBA directly determines the performance, stability, and service life of electronic products, whether it is consumer electronics, automotive electronics, medical devices, or industrial control products. They all rely on high-quality PCBA assembly. Choosing a professional manufacturer that provides one-stop PCB plus PCBA services, with mature technology and strict quality control, can effectively avoid shirking between production links and efficiently and stably turn designs into qualified finished products.